I'm going to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number, and I'm going to do this using the abstract form. I'm going to use the grid method. To use the grid method, I need to partition both of my 2-digit numbers. So the first number is 56, so I know this has 5 tens, so 50 and 6 ones. And then I need to partition my second 2-digit number, 27, so I know it's got 2 tens and 7 ones. Once I've done that, I can then start to fill in these sections of my grid by multiplying these numbers together. So to start off with, I'm going to multiply 20 by 50. I know 2 times 5 is 10, so I know 20 times 50 is 1000. I know 2 times 6 is 12, so I know 20 times 6 is 120. I know 7 times 5 is 35, so I know 7 times 50 is 350. I know 7 times 6 is 42. Once I've filled in my 4 sections of my grid, I then add these amounts to find a total. 1000 add 120 is 1120. 350 add 42 is 392. Now I've found a total for both different rows, I'm going to add those up to find a whole total using column addition. 0 add 2 is 2. Then I add my tens. 9 add 2 is 11. 90 add 20. So I'm going to regroup. Leave that there, and I'm going to regroup that 100 over to here. My hundreds column. 1 add 3, 100 add 300 is 400. Add the extra 100 that I regrouped was 500. And then my 1000 is there. So my total and my answer is 56 multiplied by 27 equals 1512. Once I'm really confident at using the grid method, I can then start to look at using the expanded method. So when I use the expanded method, I put both numbers on top of one another. So 56 multiplied by 27. First of all, I start with the ones. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 7 multiplied by 5, that's 5 tens. So if I know 7 times 5 is 35, I know 7 times 50 is 350. Once I've multiplied these two digits by the 7, I then move on to this 10 here, 20. If I know 2 times 6 is 12, I know 20 times 6 is 120. If I know 2 times 5 is 10, I know 20 times 50 is 1000. Now I've multiplied these numbers and these digits all together, I add these 4 amounts to find a final total. 2 add 0 add 0 add 0 is 2. 4 add 5 is 9. 9 add 2 is 11. So again, I'm regrouping the 100 over to here. 3 add 1 is 4. Add the 100 is 5. And then I add my 1000 there. So again, 56 multiplied by 27 equals 1,512.